Assalamu alaikum again. We are you always a lifecycle controller. We'll try to configure our RAID. So that's it. Click on it. So that's it. Step 1.5. Going to RAID configuration select controller. Select the RAID controller to view its current configuration to delete existing virtual. So default configuration is RAID 1 and we will choose the RAID 1. We have two disks SAS of 600 gigabyte. So we have select RAID controller hash 70 or 750 adapter. So again, select the RAID level for the virtual disk. So to protect our data, we'll select RAID 1 to have a mirror. At the same time, if we lost or if we lose the first disk, we can use the second one. So this is the RAID 1 mirrors or duplicates data from one physical disk to another. If a physical disk files, data is rebuilt using the data from the other side of the mirror. RAID 1 provides good read performance and average write performance. So we click on next. Protocol SAS, media type HDD, encryption no. Select all. So we'll continue. Virtual disk name, for example, RAID. RAID 1. Z. So now in hot spare disk. Stripe element, read policy, write policy. Click on next. And finished. We wish to continue if the new configuration is displayed. The existing virtual disk will be deleted from the select RAID control and data will be lost from a physical disk that have been used for the new configuration. Do you wish to continue? Yes. successfully completed read operation. So we'll try to deploy our operating system.